Hey guys, today we're going to compare VS Code versus Neovim. Which coding platform is best in this year? Let's find out. So when it comes to coding, developers often look for tools that match their workflows and style. Two of the most popular code editors in this year are VS Code and Neovim. Both are very powerful, but they offer very different experiences. VS Code focuses on being beginner friendly and feature rich, while on the other hand, Neovim focuses on speed, flexibility, and customization. So first, VS Code. VS Code or Visual Studio Code is one of the most widely used code editors today. It is made by Microsoft and has become popular because it works right up the box. With VS Code, you do not need to spend hours setting things up. You can download it, open it, and start coding immediately. The interface is clean, modern, and easy to understand, which makes it great for beginners. On the downside, VS Code can sometimes use a lot of memory, especially if you install too many extensions for very large projects. It might feel slower compared to lighter editors, but still, its balance of usability and features make it a strong choice for many programmers, especially those who want something ready to use without heavy customization. Now, Neovim, on the other hand, is a modern version of a classic Vim editor known for its speed and efficiency. Unlike VS Code, Neovim is not focused on being user-friendly for beginners. Instead, it's designed for power users who want complete control over their coding environment. One of Neovim's biggest strengths is speed. It often files almost instantly, even very large one. It's also extremely lightweight, meaning it uses very little memory. On the downside, Neovim has a steep learning curve. The keyboard shortcuts are very different, and the new users may feel lost. Setting it up also takes time. So the downside is that Neovim has a steep learning curve. The keyboard shortcuts are very different. The new users may feel lost because setting it up also takes time, since you often need to install and configure plugins manually. However, once you get comfortable with it, Neovim can be one of the most efficient coding tools available in this year.